Let's talk about dlib. Dlib is a very popular open source C++ library for threading, networking, numerical processing, computer vision, and machine learning. It was developed by David King, and it's very popular for object detection and tracking features. We will be installing dlib in this lecture, and I will show you step by step. We will first install some prerequisites, then we will install dlib C++ library and the Python wrapper around it, and then we will also install Python bindings for dlib, and we will verify if the dlib is working or not. So let's start with installing the prerequisites. So there are at least three packages we need: numpy, scipy, and scikit-image. Let's do that first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my Anaconda. And then I have created a virtual environment. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to navigate to the command line. Let me increase the font so that you can see this more clearly. Okay, so let's start installing the packages. So we are going to install the numpy first. If it is already there on my machine, then it will tell me that, or it will try to upgrade that. Okay, the numpy is there, so it didn't install. Let me try installing scipy. Scipy is also there, and then the last thing I'm going to do is scikit-image. In your case, you might just see a different message depending upon if you have installed this or not earlier. So it's installing the scikit-image on my machine. Okay, so it has already found the version 0.15.0. So in that case, it just upgraded to 0.16.2, right? So we have installed the prerequisites so far. So the next step here is basically install dlib itself. Let's try doing that. So I'm going to do pip install dlib. Okay, so the installing of dlib is complete. The next step for us is installing the dlib bindings. So let's try doing that. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We are going to download the dlib tar package. Then we are going to unzip the tar package, and then we're going to navigate to the Python examples directory, and all the prerequisites in that file we are going to do pip install one by one, right? So let's try doing that. Let me increase the font a little bit more so that you can see this. Okay, so I'm going to first download this one, copy and paste here. Good. Now I'm going to unzip it. Okay, then I'm going to navigate to this file. So let's see what is there in this file. From this file, I'm just going to do this open this requirement.txt file so that you can see what is there in this file. These are the three packages it needs, and it's going to try installing that. But we already have that, so we really don't need that. But if you want to install that, so I already have this package installed on my machine, right? So I don't really need that. But let's see what happens if I try to get this done. So some of the solutions are, some of the packages are already there, so it's not reinstalling that for me. Okay, so it has installed all of these. Now let's go and install the Python bindings, right? Python bindings are installed. Now let's go and compile everything. Okay, sorry, this file is on the parent directory, so I'm going to navigate back and then execute this. So it's building all the Python bindings now. So as you can see, it's installing all the machine learning packages like training machine learning algorithms like SVM, face recognition, CNN face detectors, sequence segmenters. Those will be very useful for us to train our own algorithm.